Samsung has collapsed -6.06% to $302,500, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Wednesday, June 10th, and this is your complete global market briefing. It is a split session across global markets. This comes as stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks, adding pressure to energy markets. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is little changed, hovering near $7,386.65. Equity markets are responding to reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. NASDAQ 100 is up plus 1.58%, trading at $29,414. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. S&P 500, NASDAQ rally as chip stocks rebound, CryptoRank. Dow Jones is broadly flat at $50,872, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Investor sentiment is being shaped by earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. DAX is down -1.35%, trading at $24,284. This comes as stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks, adding pressure to energy markets. FTSE 100 dropped sharply -1.90% to $10,176. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Samsung made a dramatic move today, plunged -6.06% to $302,500. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. Apple plunged -3.64% to $290.55 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Apple stock rises after Q2 earnings top estimates on strong iPhone, China sales, Yahoo Finance. HSBC dropped sharply -2.32% to $1,281. Investor sentiment is being shaped by assessing HSBC, LSE, SPAR, valuation after recent share price pullback and Asia growth focus, Simplewald St. Microsoft dropped sharply -2.02% to $403.41. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Microsoft Cloud and RE strength fuels third quarter results, Microsoft source. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, this comes as stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks, adding pressure to energy markets. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Investor sentiment is being shaped by earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. Turning to commodities. Brent crude slipped to $91.33 per barrel, down 0.13% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that US stock futures drop after tech sell-off, oil up, markets wrap. WTI crude slipped to $88.06 per barrel, down 0.16% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that US stock futures drop after tech sell-off, oil up, markets wrap. Natural gas ticked up to $3.14, up 0.13% on the session. This comes as stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks, adding pressure to energy markets. Gold dropped sharply to $4,191.40 per troy ounce, down 1.61% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that gold's safe haven role questioned as prices slide sharply, MSN. Let us give you our near-term view on Samsung. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for Samsung is around $284,350. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, gaining 0.28% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, gaining 0.47% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.45, gaining 0.17% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to gold. Silver ETFs tumble up to 6% as US Fed rate hike fears. Stronger dollar trigger sell-off in precious metals. TradingView. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We post fresh analysis every single morning. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the best ones in future videos. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.